Hello, Darius from DeFu here. Today we're diving into cybersecurity training for employees, an often overlooked but essential aspect of a robust cybersecurity strategy. Your employees are your first line of defense against cyber threats, and well-trained staff can make a significant difference in preventing incidents. Start by implementing regular training sessions that cover basic cybersecurity principles such as identifying phishing emails, using strong passwords, and understanding safe internet practices. Training shouldn't just be a one-time event. Cyber threats are constantly evolving, so your training program should be ongoing and updated to reflect the latest threats. Schedule sessions at least quarterly to keep cybersecurity top of your mind. Include simulated phishing tests as part of your training. These tests involve sending mock phishing emails to employees to see how they respond. When someone clicks on a simulated phishing link, it serves as an opportunity for a teachable moment rather than a punishable one. You can provide immediate feedback and guidance on how to recognize phishing attempts. Over time, this will help employees become more adept at spotting red flags. Encourage a culture of reporting suspicious activities. Employees should feel comfortable reporting anything unusual, even if they aren't sure if it's an actual threat. Make it easy for them to report incidents by having a clear process in place, such as a dedicated email address for security concerns or a hotline. Reward employees for reporting potential threats, as this reinforces positive behavior and proactive security practices. Another crucial aspect of cybersecurity training is role-based training. Different roles within your organization may have varying levels of access to sensitive data or different responsibilities when it comes to cybersecurity. For example, IT staff might need in-depth knowledge about malware detection and response, while HR might require training on handling sensitive employee information securely. Tailoring training programs based on job roles ensures that everyone is equipped with the relevant skills for their specific responsibilities. Also, don't forget about security during onboarding and offboarding. New employees should receive cybersecurity training as part of their onboarding process, and when employees leave the company, ensure their access to systems and data is promptly revoked. Cybersecurity is everyone's responsibility, and training your team can significantly reduce risk of a cybersecurity breach. Tomorrow, we'll explore secure use of cloud services, another area where employee awareness is key. Stay secure, and we'll see you then.